This is Autoline Daily, the show dedicated to enthusiasts of the global automotive industry. Researchers at the University of Michigan are going to test new traffic light technology in the Detroit area, which could help reduce congestion and wait times. The technology doesn't rely on infrastructure-based sensors. It uses AI and vehicle GPS data to recalibrate the signals to make them more efficient. The data is collected from roadside assistance and navigation systems, including drivers using their phones for directions and rideshare companies. But it doesn't track a vehicle's trip to protect privacy. Intersections where the technology has been installed have seen a significant reduction in delays and stops, and more intersections will be added in the coming months. Did you ever see the movie The Big Short? It was all about what caused the Great Recession in 2008, and it focused on a hedge fund investor named Michael Burry, who saw the whole thing coming. He shorted mortgage-based securities on a massive scale, and when the market collapsed, he made a fortune for himself and his investors. Fast forward to today, and Michael Burry is taking aim at Tesla, saying its stock is ridiculously overvalued. However, he's not shorting the stock. He tried that back in 2021 and probably got burned when Tesla's shares surged at the end of the year. Tesla isn't the only company Burry is criticizing. He also says the big tech companies are overvalued. Meanwhile, Tesla had a great November in China. Sales, including exports, shot up 41% compared to October and nearly 10% from a year ago. That may not be enough to offset Tesla's massive sales drop in Europe, but it is an important turnaround for the company. So far this year, the world's automakers have manufactured 79 million vehicles, and 38% of them were made by Chinese companies. According to the China Passenger Car Association, 3 of China's automakers now place in the top 10 car companies in the world based on market share, including BYD in 6th place, Geely in 8th, and Chery in 10th. And not only is China selling a lot of cars, its technology is showing up in cars made by non-Chinese automakers. Car News China reports that Huawei's UX and infotainment stack is being developed for international markets. It's now mapped out those areas. It's putting labels and routing in English, while lane markers and speed limit signs are like the ones you'd see in North America or Europe.
At CSP, we work with OEM engineers across the country on their journeys to lighter, safer, and more eco-friendly vehicles. Learn more at thecsp.com.
Excluding commercial vehicles, Ford seems to have lost its way a bit in Europe. So to help make the region more sustainable, it's cutting production and slashing thousands of jobs. The company even ended production of the Focus in the middle of last month. However, most of Ford's European restructuring will be done around 2027, which is the same time it's launching an all-new compact SUV for the region. Automotive News reports the company will be taking the Bronco nameplate overseas. While the big Bronco can be purchased in Europe right now, it's only in limited quantities in select markets and only in left-hand drive. Other than the boxy styling, the new model for the region will be nothing like the North American Broncos. It's going to be built alongside the Kuga in Spain and will be offered with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. The model will slot between the Kuga, which is Europe's version of the Escape, and the Puma, which is Ford's best-selling model in Europe. An all-electric version is not said to be in the cards, but other powertrains are expected to be. Chinese autonomous vehicle company Momenta has filed for an initial public offering in Hong Kong, but details like offering size and timetable are not known. Momenta considered filing for an IPO in New York, but it changed plans due to trade tensions between the US and China. We find Momenta filing for an IPO significant because teardown specialists Caresoft say it's the best autonomous vehicle company in China and possibly even globally. And in other AV news, chipmaker NVIDIA released new open source software to help speed up development of self-driving cars. The software is what's known as a vision language action AI model, which translates what the sensors see on the road into a description that uses natural language. This model makes it easier for engineers to understand why an AV chooses a particular path on the road, which will help them improve the safety of the technology. On Friday, Toyota is going to reveal 3 all-new sports cars. So far, we only have this teaser image to go on, but one is expected to be the production version of the GR GT3 concept and will be called the GR GT. And another is expected to be a Lexus version based on the same platform that will be called the LFR. So, similar to the old LFA, and could look like the Lexus Sport concept that debuted recently at the Japan Mobility Show. We're not sure what that third vehicle is, which also looks like it has louvered fenders, but at least we don't have to wait long to find out. And that brings us to the end of today's show. Thanks for making Autoline a part of your day.
Autoline Daily is brought to you by Bridgestone, solutions for your journey. CSP, the composites solution partner. Intrepid Control Systems, over-the-air engineering, boost your game. And thanks to the following YouTube and Patreon members.
Performance that shines, even in the rain. That's what really matters. Bridgestone Potenza tires, improved grip in wet conditions.
Developing today's vehicles, issues can happen in an instant. What good is knowing your problems without the data to solve them? Meet Wireless Neovi Cloud, your secure off-the-shelf solution, empowering real-time collaboration for quick resolution. With Wireless Neovi Cloud, your team can prevent issues before they can escalate. Driver communication data and remote diagnostics to analyze and resolve your problems using OTA, allowing your executives oversight throughout the process. Wireless Neovi Cloud, your vehicle update solution in production and on the road. Intrepid Control Systems, driven by your data.